All right, guys. I just want to tell you, I absolutely hate this phone. I've grown to hate it, man. I just want to talk to you and tell you why I just don't like the Z Fold 7 anymore. I don't like it anymore. And you probably shouldn't even mess with it after I tell you these things. So it's crazy because some of you guys are, a lot of you guys are going to agree with me. Like, I think 99.9% of the people who are watching this are going to agree with what I'm saying. And I just want to start by telling you, I really hate this device, man, because the screen is so good. Like, why is the screen so good? Why couldn't it be like a trash, horrible display? You know, like who wouldn't want a beautiful display that just folds, just goes open into this just ginormous canvas right here? Like, this is stupid. Like, why does it have to be so good? So I hate it, man. I hate that it's just this good. It doesn't make any sense. I mean, where can you get this type of beautiful display? And then you get another display on the outside. Like, this is just unheard of to have such a flawless display. Two of them. You know what I mean? I hate it. I hate that the displays on here are just good. It doesn't make any sense, man. And Samsung's wrong for this too. They're wrong for giving this phone these like perfect displays. It's stupid. I hate it. I know you agree. It's dumb that they gave this phone such beautiful displays, man. This is stupid. It's trash. I hate it for having good displays, man. Another thing I hate about this phone is the cameras look so good. Like, why the frick are the cameras so good? Like, it's dumb good. I hate it for that reason. I hate that the cameras are good on here like this. It should be against the law that these cameras can perform this way. I mean, you literally can shoot full-on movies with these cameras. I mean, why do they have to put a 200 megapixel camera on there? Why a 200? Why couldn't they put like a 20 megapixel on the rear? You know what I mean? Like, why do they have to have a telephoto, a wide, and an ultra wide? Why? What's the point? You know what I mean? Like, it's dumb for them to put such good cameras on this phone right here, man. I hate them for doing that, man. I mean, they're wrong for doing it. They really shouldn't have done it. This phone deserves a 20 megapixel camera on the rear. No telephoto and no ultra wide, because you can just have one camera and it's going to be multiple cameras. You know what I mean? Like, Apple has mastered that. Like, the perfect camera setup is right here. I'm going to show you this. Like, I think Apple did it best when they said you don't even need multiple cameras, because this one camera is multiple cameras. And Samsung needs to take notes, man. They need to learn how to put stuff together and need to learn how to get it right the first time. Not 7 times. And then they get it wrong, horribly wrong, by putting a 200 megapixel camera on here that takes like these great photos and stuff. It's just stupid of them, man. It's not right. It is just not right. And they're wrong for that. I mean, why not do what Apple's doing? One camera is multiple cameras. 3 cameras? Come on. And I'm not even going to talk about how great this phone is priced. I mean, it's got like all the same stuff from the previous generation and everything. Then they took away a bunch of stuff and then they just gave it one camera. This is how you do it, Samsung. Not like this with a 200 megapixel camera. What the frick is wrong with them, man? Another thing I hate about this phone is the design is like perfect. It's perfect. It should not be. It's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be jacked up. Like, it's supposed to be wrong. Like, they're supposed to do something wrong with this, because why? Like, how are you going to go ahead and make this perfectly thin folding phone? Like, who does this stupid crap? Like, why get it right? You know what I mean? Like, it's dumb. Like, why would they do this? Why would they give like this very slim hinge on here? Who the freak does this? Why would they do this? I mean, it's stupid, right? Don't you agree? I know 99% of you guys agree. I mean, this is dumb. Like, they should have kept it chunky and not gave an upgrade. That would have been a smart thing to do. Just keep making them the same. Then you won't lose any customers. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy that they're sitting up here making a new design, making the hardware like perfect. Then they're not going to be able to sell any phones next year, because I don't think they're going to be able to do better than this. This is crazy. Like, why is this hardware so good? Why is the design like almost perfect? Like this is a slab style phone that opens up. Like, why did they do this freaking crap, man? And then now I can actually use the front display and I don't even have to open my phone if I don't want to. That was stupid, Samsung. Very stupid. And the display is beautiful too. I know I said that, but it's a beautiful outer display. It's like the perfect aspect ratio. You know, like why would they do this? Why would they make like such perfect hardware? I don't, this is just stupid, man. Like they haven't learned their lesson is what it is. They haven't learned their lesson. They're going to learn though. You know, they stop making good hardware because you're going to lose customers. You know what I mean? Like, why would you do this? Like they have all these different colors of the devices. Like this is their premium device and they have multiple colors, like some good colors. You know what I mean? Like why freaking do this? Stupid to bring such a great design and just almost like perfect hardware. Stupid. You're going to learn a lesson next year. You better not try this again next year. I'm telling you. You know, and the thing about having this great hardware, they like made this, the software is running Android 16 and One UI 8. Like, what the frick are they doing, man? Like, this is way too smooth. It should be stuttery and laggy, and it shouldn't run right, man. It's got all these extra sidebars. This thing is crazy. Like, this is too good of a hardware and too good of a software to be together. It's cheating, and I don't like them for doing it. They're wrong for doing this one. It's stupid. They need to just make their hardware okay and make the software a little bit more laggy. You know what I mean? I know you agree with me. Like 99% of y'all agree with me. It shouldn't be this buttery smooth. And it's feature packed with a ton of things. Things you probably won't ever even get into. But this hardware and software go together, but they're wrong for it, man. They're wrong for putting together like this perfect. They're just wrong. They just shouldn't have done it. They shouldn't have done it. I don't appreciate them getting it right. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't appreciate this. I don't appreciate it. And so next year, you better fix this. You know what I mean? Like, fix it. Don't bring this great software and hardware and put them together. Don't freaking do it, man. We're going to have a problem because I don't like it. And one more thing I don't like about it, the battery life. I don't like the battery life on here. I was checking my battery life, and this thing allows me to go for at least 2 days, man. And now it's saying 4 days. I can go like 4 days. That's just dumb. And yeah, I know. I may not have the best screen on time, like 10 hours for that 4 days, but I still got like 4.5, 5 hours of screen on time for like 3.5, 4 days. I hate them for that because that means I don't have to charge as much. I want to charge every day. Do you understand, Samsung? I don't want to be off the charger. I want to be tied to my desk. I don't want to be stuck charging my phone every other day or every day. Don't give me such good battery on this premium device. Freaking idiots. I just can't believe they should not be getting this right. They should not. They're wrong for that, man. They know what they're freaking doing too. They know what they're doing. They should not be putting together such phenomenal battery. You know, and they have the audacity to keep the battery the same and then make the battery life better with efficiency of the software and the hardware together. Because the processor in here is a great processor. So what they did was they somehow got Android 16 and One UI to get better battery than the previous gen phone that I have. And it's the same size battery. The audacity of you. The audacity of you, Samsung. Y'all tripping, man. I'm not going to go on too much about why I hate this phone, man. But I can tell you one thing I do like about the phone. There is one thing I like. The price. Man, are you crazy? $2,000. That's nothing, man. I know you guys are balling out there like me. And so $2,000 to start. Why complain about that? I love it. I mean, we might as well just go broke behind it. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do. We live outside of our means and we buy things we don't even need. We finance a bunch of stuff. Like, I agree for those people out there, and I'm with you. If you bought this phone knowing that you was going to be paying on it for 48 months or 36 months or 24 months, I'm with you, son. I got mine for 72 months. Can't beat it. Phenomenal deal. Phenomenal. The price is right on point. The starting point of $2,000 for a 256 gig is more than fair. You know what I mean? Like, it's more than fair. That's one thing that they got right from Apple, because this iPhone 16e right here, this thing is priced just right. I mean, this 512 gig that I have is over $1,000, and I only got one camera. You know what I'm saying? I got one camera. There's multiple cameras. I got one camera. There's multiple cameras. Come on, Samsung, you need to get it together, man. Only thing you got right on this was the price. The starting price of $2,000 was right on point. Now, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. What do you like and dislike about your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7? Did you buy it yet? If you didn't buy it yet, I'll leave a link down there for the real ballers who's got $2,000 to drop on a phone every year like Samsung wants you to do. I'm out of here, man. Peace.